Every day this happens. I am the last one to shower, and there is never any hot water left. What if there was a solution that could totally prevent running out of hot water? One that also takes up less space than your current standard tanked water heater. There is. It's called a tankless water heater. A tankless water heater is a heater that is mounted on the wall. No more large tank taking up space. The tankless water heater heats water as you need it. When you turn on the hot water, the water then begins to flow through the tankless water heater and heats the water on demand. When you turn the hot water off, the water stops running through the tankless heater. No water sits in a tank when the water is not being used. A tankless water heater not only provides endless hot water, but is energy efficient and lasts longer than a standard water heater. Hoffmann Brothers offers a 15-year heat exchanger warranty, 5 years part warranty, and a 1-year labor warranty on all tankless water heater installations. Hoffmann Brothers has been installing tankless water heaters for many years. Call Hoffmann Brothers today to get a free estimate on a tankless water heater for your home, or visit us at www.hoffmannbros.com.